It's Friday, y'all. I usually do a podcast. I stopped doing the podcast. My podcast is called Fuck You Friday. And dog, I'm gonna fuck you. I'm gonna fuck you metaphorically, not physically. I'm gonna fuck you mentally. It's how I deal with my depression. When I'm depressed, I make sure that other people is pissed off. It's better to be pissed off than pissed on. Don't get as wet. And since the rain has just stopped and the sun is coming out, we're gonna shine the light on the truth speaking to power. I was making a movie about the war on drugs, racism and the corruption in the courts, the war on black America. That's it. Plain and simple. Y'all called me a terrorist. Y'all charged me with terrorism on 3 different occasions. January the 31st, 2007, December the 24th, 2007, and February the 2nd, 2011. I was making a movie about being black in America. The war on drugs is a war on the black community. Marilyn Mosby know about this. Nick Mosby know about this. The Maryland Black Caucus know about this. Corey McCray know about this. Sid Norton know about this. How you doing? You can listen and pay attention. This is for everybody. All you got to do is go to Facebook. It's on Facebook. I do this Facebook Live. Everything's about being black in America. Me and you are old enough to understand Jim Crow. We understand that the war on drugs is a war on the black community because that war been going on for over 50 years. You want to talk about the violence, but nobody want to talk about ending the war on drugs. Right? Can't make the community safe if you ain't going to address the cancer. And you ain't heard damn politicians say end the war on drugs. They want to keep the penitentiary filled with black bodies. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and we the cash crop. And y'all got mad because I put it out there just like that. So we're going to do it just like this. I'm sending all of this material to China, to Cuba. I'm going to send it to Russia. Because it's the elections and y'all want black votes and y'all using black bodies. Mike, check! I'm going to send this to China. I'm going to send this to Russia. Because y'all killing black leadership and y'all killing black people. I applied for Martin Luther King's job because wasn't nobody doing it. You feel me? I applied for Martin Luther King's job in 2006. Get shorty. You feel me? That's Mayor O'Malley, Governor O'Malley. Y'all locked me up in 2008, 2007. Please allow 30 to 60 days. That's Kerry Cogwell from President Obama. You feel me? This is 2007, the FBI, Special Agent Jason. This is a follow-up letter to our conversation on February the 1st, enclosed are some papers to give you validity to my claim of civil rights and constitutional rights violation. I have a diary from May 28, 1986 to July of 86. The court of Lake County Sheriff's Department are responsible. If you read all these letters, you can see the temperament of the Lake County, Illinois. I want to charge Bobby Thompson with attempted murder. I was in the United States Navy. I was supposed to be protected. I want Lawrence Wade charged with police brutality, 1982. I want Judge Scott, State Attorney Boers, Public Defender Keefe, for conspiracy and illegally incarcerating me in the Department of Corrections. I'm very serious. These papers, plus the ones I have in my possession, prove the things beyond a reasonable doubt. I am only one man. The United States has a history, a jail for 3 years to win appeal, and the courts are allowed to destroy records and still claim falsehoods. Also remind you, I am the only man in history to go to jail for turning in guns and drugs. The false arrest for a bomb threat. I've established a pattern here. You are supposed to seek justice on my behalf. If you are going to pursue this, you will please return the written documents. All right? That's me. All right? This is Illinois Department of Corrections, the Lake County Sheriff's Office. I went home on vacation. Came back on probation. I was exposing y'all's hidden assets. The war on drugs. You feel me? I participated in the war on drugs. I ran Contra. 1977, 78, 79, and 80. You feel me? Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play. That's Al Bumby. Like I said, I know these people. That's 98 Robt. You feel me? That's Richard McFeely of the FBI and Dugan. All right, Department of Justice and Investigation. Rod Rosenstein, Alan Locks. These are the cases right here. Councilman Branch has shorty program, a letter from the city solicitor. And these is the cases right here. It's the art of getting money. The money you make off black bodies. You feel me? The prison industry, mass incarceration. This ain't my fight, this our struggle. I'm just the ringmaster Ned. These is the cases right here. And this is when you came to my house and put guns to my head in 2010. You feel me? Convicts, lawyers, call, confessions, coerced. I didn't give no confessions. I told the truth. So I'm getting ready to put all this on the storyboard. That's Governor O'Malley's crime machine. That's WJZ. When I contacted y'all, Kai Jackson, Adam May, Bob Turk. That's $750,000 I lost. Now I'm out 2.6 million. You feel me? These are the people that participated in the fraud and the kidnapping. Fox 45, that's why I shut you down. That's a motion for a public hearing in 2009. You feel me? You kidnapped me from my home. You feel me? Judge Marcella Holloman. I want that hearing. I'm in Baltimore's best. You feel me? And that's where I started at. I started with a grill out in Owings Mills. It's the Baltimore Ravens. And these are white people that support me. Because like I said, I was making a movie about y'all. That's Governor Hogan. And all these blues are movie contents. YouTube. I am writing you this letter as my constitutional right to address grievances to my elected officials. Enclosed is the petition signed by the supporters of Shorties. I was making a movie about the Stop Snitching video. And it's about Scott Shellenberger. Shellenberger's your weakest link. That's your weakest link. And if you lock Shellenberger up, he gonna snitch on the rest of y'all. He gonna snitch on O'Malley. And I got witnesses. I got 12. I got witnesses. And we ain't eating watermelon. We having a picnic. I was making a movie about Governor O'Malley. And Itzy know about it. I'm a pit boss. And Carrie Bennett wrote a story about me. The Perfect Ride. Carrie Bennett. 2009. This long before I got locked up. And I was making a movie and a documentary so you wouldn't be scared of black people. I was making a movie about racism so you can trust me around your kids. She wrote the story. You feel me? See my daughter, Sierra Monique Davis? I use social media to do what I did. Social media for social change. All right? I use social media to do this. And these are the supporters of Shorties. I did a movie about race and racism, and I did it in a white community. And I took that toilet to New York. Ceasefire. You want to stop the violence? End the war on drugs. You feel me? I was making a movie, and ain't no law against making a movie. And these people were in the movie. All right? They were standing up for Shorty. And they go Nancy. That's David Wright. All right? His son is Richard Wright. I was making a movie and a documentary. You feel me? These are the supporters of Shorties. So I'm going to put this on all my storyboards. We are also employing any and appropriate officials in the state of Maryland to assist Shorty in his effort to achieve justice in Illinois. That's one. You feel me? These are the supporters of Shorties. Zion Benton. Social media for social change. You feel me? It's my son's birthday. Jarrell New Ray Davis. That's MySpace. You feel me? One of 26 pages. I was making a movie. That's the United States Senate. That's February 2008. I'm the subject of the investigation, and I used the toilet to do it. You feel me? So when I make this up, I'm sending it out. I'm selling this to whoever want to buy it. You feel me? I got 12 envelopes. 12 envelopes. And I'm going to put all this information in them envelopes, and I'm going to send it out to different countries. I'm making a movie. Ain't no law against making a movie. I use Staples. I use FedEx. I use Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, social media for social change. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. Are we there yet? Mike, check! Can you hear me now?